Hello everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome to 1213 Prescott Way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we post another video. A video. A video. Video. Welcome. Welcome. Can you see I'm excited? Overly excited because I have new food from New Oriental restaurant, and I am trying their curry shrimp. Comes with fried rice, which I thought it was white rice, and then I got some vegetable egg rolls and my handy dandy water. So since I am hungry, let's get into it. We grab me a fork, and I guess I'll put some fried rice right here, some in the back, just so that I can, and then I'll put it down here. So let me, you know I love my vegetables. Let's see. After that, we'll do a thumbnail. Okay. Make the move so I can get busy. Or I can do like this too. Grab one of these. I love their crunchy egg rolls. I said I love their crunchy egg rolls. Have some shrimp and carrot. And I'm hungry too. This is good. Maybe I'll put the rice over here. I think I like that better. Don't ask me why, but I see like little specks of eggs in here, which is ruining the experience. You can see the red pepper flake on it. It is a little saltier than my taste, but just a tad bit. But it is good. I am listening to Rotten Mango. And I don't know if you've ever Heard it, if you ever heard of it though. It is Stephanie Sue. She's a YouTuber. I love how she narrates her videos. She's always doing like big cases, mostly in Asia. But she covers some in the United States as well. But she's really good at what she does. This one happened in Kazakhstan, and actually my son's best friends are from Kazakhstan. My oldest son. I love a crunchy out in there. So So, he is an ex in the trial. I believe it's going on as we speak, actually, where the husband beat the wife to, unalived her after 24 hours of torture and beating at a restaurant that his family owns, actually. And patrons in there, he was dragging her and kicking her and left her there. Allegedly. All of this is alleged. Laying there unconscious, allegedly, because he thinks that she had relations with his friend, and he was going to beat a confession out of her. And he ended up leaving her there in one of the conference rooms, unconscious, and eventually passing away. And while she was laying there in the conference room, struggling to survive, he was eating lunch or dinner with a female, like a date, allegedly. We talk about good flavor. Wow. David doesn't know it, but I'm stopping there after work. I didn't want to get it, and let it sit in my office. The Mongolian beef. That's what I'm going to get him on my way home. My question is, why wouldn't she? Well, she probably couldn't, or was too scared to call out for help. But him being this figure that he is in the political arena, I can kind of understand why folks didn't even react or do anything. It was all caught on CT camera. see. And then they say that they circulated on social media pictures of the jurors spice. Because they said if the jurors get paid off by him, they want to know who the jurors are. So they circulated the pictures of them. 24 hours of torture. I'm not even halfway finished with the video, so I'm sure there's much more to learn. This was so good. I'm so glad I got it, because you know, normally I stick to the same thing, the shrimp fried rice, and I'm starting to branch out and try other things. I'm glad I did. It was good. Very good. And unfortunately, I am full. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we post another video. And you know what's so funny? I saw there were 3 of us that actually wore green today. Another co-worker, she wore a green top. Excuse me. And then another co-worker wore green pants. Great minds, great minds. So anyway, have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, and night. And I will see you on the next video. Love you. Is that how you do it? Or like that? And peace.